Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect Gumroad to PayPal. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to gumroad.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. This will take you straight to your Gumroad dashboard where you can manage all your settings and integrations. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can configure all the important aspects of your Gumroad account, including payment methods and connections to third-party services. Once you're in the Settings area, look at the top menu bar. You'll notice several tabs available. Click on the one labeled Payments. This section is specifically designed for managing how you receive money from your sales, and it's where you'll set up your PayPal connection. The Payments tab gives you full control over your financial integrations and payout preferences. After the Payments page loads, scroll down through the available options until you find the Connect with PayPal button. This is the feature that allows you to link your PayPal account directly to Gumroad, making it easier to receive payments from your customers. Click on this button to begin the connection process. Now here's something really important you need to know before proceeding. In order to successfully connect Gumroad to PayPal, there are 3 specific requirements your account must meet. First, your account must be marked as compliant with Gumroad's terms and policies. Second, you must have earned at least $100 through your Gumroad sales. And third, you must have received at least one successful payout from Gumroad already. These requirements are in place to ensure that your account is established and operating properly before adding PayPal as a payment method. If you don't meet these criteria yet, you'll need to wait until you do before you can complete the connection. And that's it. You've now learned how to connect Gumroad to PayPal, giving you more flexibility in how you receive your earnings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.